Hello there, this video is all about this super clean Android home screen setup that I created using the Niagara Launcher. The best part is that everything you see on the screen is free. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, like any other setup, this one also begins with the wallpaper. The wallpaper along with all the required apps is linked in the description below, so get all of them. Once you've downloaded them, set the wallpaper on your screen and make the Niagara your default launcher. On the first use of the launcher, you'll be asked to choose your favorite apps to display on the screen. Select a few apps and dismiss all the other pop-ups. As you can see, the default icons don't go well with the background. To fix that, long press on the home screen, go to Niagara settings, look, app icons, and select the Lavian Lines Monet Iconpack. It's a free pack with over 2900 icons that look fantastic with this setup. You can also adjust the icon size to your liking in the settings. And of course, you can edit the favorites list by long pressing on them whenever you want. Next, we'll need to delete these default widgets. To do that, long press on them and disable them in the settings. Now it's time to add a custom widget. To add it, long press anywhere on the screen and tap Add Custom Widget. From the list, tap KWGT and click the widget of any dimensions. You can alter its size on the home screen to your preference by long pressing it. Once the widget is in place, tap on it and open the Alive KWGT widget pack. This is a free pack as well, and the widget I'm using for the setup is pretty minimal and super clean that displays the time and date. To make it fit perfectly with the setup, you'll need to tweak its size and position. So set the widget scale to 80 in the Layer tab. To adjust the position, select all the elements, use the alignment tool at the top and adjust the widget's position to fit it on the home screen. If you want the home screen to look even cleaner, you can hide the alphabetical app menu in the Niagara settings. And this quick access button is optional, but I think it adds a nice touch. You can enable it in the launcher settings under the feature section. It's fully customizable. You can long press the button, select Edit Tap Action and assign it to any app or feature. For my setup, I've assigned it to my agenda, so whenever I tap the button, it shows my upcoming events. And that's it. That's how you can recreate this beautiful, minimal Android home screen setup. If you liked it, give the video a thumbs up, let me know what you think about the setup in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome Android customization videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.